Ukuthola umsebenzi kulentsha kusho ukufeza kwamaphupho ayo ekubambeni iqhaza isebenzela umphakathi.
I've been wanting to serve my province and got the opportunity that I got now, and then it's so exciting that I will be able to be one of the peace officers in my province.
Babalele izinkulungwane ezisithupha abala nobugebengu abazothunyelwa emalokishini ahlukene kanye nasemahostela ukuyosiza amaphoyisa okulwa nobugebengu.
5 months ago, these young people were unemployed. 6 months later, these young people are employed by Gauteng permanently, not for 3 months, not for 6 months, but forever.
Undunankulu uvumile ukuthi lolu hlelo lusanezinkinga.
Some of you on day one, you didn't even know where you are deployed. I'm proud to declare that from now on, all the things that were not there, they are fully there. You are now fully equipped to go and fight crime in our province.
Inhloko ezokuphepha kumphakathi eGauteng ithi kube umsebenzi omkhulu ukuhlanganisa lolu hlelo.
In terms of the tools of trade, from the uniform, from the taser guns to the pepper sprays, to the handcuffs, to the boots, all of those, may not seem that much if you look at per unit cost, but if you bring it down to times 6,000, it does add up.
Ukuhlinzeka kwezinsiza kuzowasiza kakhulu amaphoyisa kanye nabaqaphi bokuthula ukulwa nobugebengu.